The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County in west central Iowa, southern Webster County in central Iowa, southeastern Calhoun County in west central Iowa, southwestern Hamilton County in central Iowa, northern Boone County in central Iowa, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Ralston, or 11 miles northwest of Jefferson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boone, Jefferson, Ogden, Gowrie, Boone Speedway, Dayton, Grand Junction, Stratford, Scranton, Lehigh, Sheridan, Farmville, Harcourt, Patton, Boxholm, Pilot Mound, Fraser, Ralston, Dana, and Beaver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Boone, Calhoun, Greene, Hamilton, and Webster.